Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, let's make a DIY face wash. This particular face wash was formulated to treat acne. So it's gonna be an anti-acne face wash. So let's dive into ingredients. So as usual, the whole formula and recipe you can find in the description box below. And the first ingredient I have in here already weighed out, a distilled water, which we're gonna need. In here it's already weighed out, it's 20 grams. We make in 50 grams face wash, and we're gonna need this foaming container. I personally prefer to use a foamy face washes for my own oily combination skin, and that's why I'm sharing these recipes with you. So this foamy container you're gonna need. Okay, and now, so tearing out the scale, another ingredient what I have in here is tea tree flower water. As we know, the tea tree essential oils and flower waters, it's really good on treating acne. They have antibacterial, antifungal properties. So that's why we're gonna add some of the tea tree flower water, which is 35% of the whole formula, which is 17 grams and 50. So let's just weigh it out in here. Okay, I love the smell. Wow, really nice smell. So tearing out the scales, to this we're gonna add some witch hazel. Witch hazel, as you know, probably yourself, it's super good on treating acne. It is an estrogen, has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So we're gonna use some witch hazel, and witch hazel I have here 10%, so it's only like 5 grams of it. Perfect. And now, tearing out the scales, I have in here the next star ingredient. I have in here arnica flower extract. You know probably that arnica, it's very good for wound healing or scars, but as well arnica is very good for prone skin, which is in treating acne, and as well it has anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties. So arnica extract we need 3%, which is 1.5 grams, a little bit arnica extract, and it's gonna give us this amazing, like darkish color, as you see. So arnica extract on the side, tearing out the scales. Because it's a face wash, of course we're gonna need some surfactant. So in here I have a cocoa betaine surfactant, which is a natural surfactant, and we're gonna use of the surfactant 7%, which is 3.5 grams. Adding everything in here, 3.5 grams. Okay, surfactant aside, tearing out the scales. And our last star ingredient I have in here, glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, it's an acid, right? And it's super good for treating acne as well. It has anti-aging properties as well. It fights the bacteria and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So some of the glycolic acid, which is 4% of the whole formula, so it's like 2 grams of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, it's like a little powder, little crystals here, and it's water soluble. All this formula, and we just mix them all together now. All this formula, all these ingredients are water-based ingredients, so that's why we're gonna need to add, of course, preservative. And I have in here preservative, we're just letting everything to mix it properly, and acid to melt it. I have a preservative here, Coast Guard preservative, which is a water-soluble preservative. So it will be just perfect for this recipe. Before I just add preservative, I want to check it out, the pH levels, because it said anti-acne face wash. We need to make sure the pH levels will be between 3.5 and 4.5 it wouldn't be more than 4.5, because to treat acne you need kind of a little bit of more acidity formula. Okay, so we just check it, and I have in here, it's about 4, it's about 5, I would say so. It's about 5, about 4.5 and 5.5. So to lower down the pH levels, I'm just gonna add some of the citric acid, just a little bit. And the citric acid literally goes like a pinch, you know, literally a little pinch here, just to lower down the pH levels. Mixing everything very well. Lovely smell of the tea tree flower water. And now we can check it out again before we add our preservative. And now it's better, it's around 4. So to this, I'm gonna just add on the scales, and I'm just gonna add the preservative Coast Guard preservative, which is 0.5 grams. It's literally gonna be like 2 drops or something. Okay. And just mixing everything very well before we put it in our container. One more time, we can just check our pH levels. How is it stands? And the pH levels, it's fine. It's around 4. We need pH levels to be less than a 4 for acne treatment foaming wash. And we can just add this into this little foaming container. Just gonna maybe mix it a little bit more. And we have in here a light yellow color. This light yellow color comes from arnica extract. And this is your anti-acne face wash. Okay, I like the foaming. I can smell the tea tree flower water, which smells really good. It's nice, I can feel it, it's nice on the skin. It smells lovely, and there is so many great ingredients, guys, in there. So just try to make it yourself, check it out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I see you next week. Bye.